How are you doing, folks? James Barr here, sales executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely mint condition 211 BMW 1 Series 116D SE 5-door hatchback. Sorry, 5-door hatchback. Let's take a quick look around it. Up front you have the BMW LED headlights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the front parking sensors, come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres, the black trim surrounding the windows with the privacy glass in the rear, the shark fin aerial up top, the BMW LED tail lights, the rear reversing parking sensors to give you that complete 360-degree parking view, the BMW 116D badging. Let's take a look at the trunk. You have the collapsible rear seats to give you more trunk space, the boot divider, now let's take a look at the interior and some specs on board this stunning 1 Series. Now that we're inside, you can see the fully digital cockpit with the multifunctional BMW steering wheel, the BMW iDrive system, fully touchscreen. It has features such as enhanced Bluetooth, communications, sat-nav navigation, connective drive, and many other extras. You also have the BMW iDrive system that allows you to quickly access and switch to different features. The interior comes in a black cloth with a grey sports stripe. The interior is finished also in a black trim. Surrounding it is customizable ambient lighting. Right now it's fairly bright out, so you can't really see it. Fully electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers. You have the BMW pedestrian safety system, air conditioning, USB charging point, keyless push button start ignition, a sports mode, comfort, and an Eco Pro mode. You have the auto hold, the electric e-brake, this is a truly stunning car both inside and outside. Now folks, that was, like I said, just a quick look around this absolutely gorgeous 211D BMW 1 Series 116D SE 5-door hatchback. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.